Cadillac has taken a bold step forward with its latest concept car, the Elevated Velocity, showcasing a glimpse of what the brand's future might hold. Following last year's opulent Velocity, this high-riding electric SUV builds upon those ideas, combining off-road V-Series styling with the intriguing concept of blending autonomous technology and pure, hands-on performance driving. The Elevated Velocity is all about possibilities. Cadillac has not shared any specific powertrain details other than confirming it is fully electric. It features an active air suspension, but the company avoided revealing measurements like approach, departure, and breakover angles, keeping the focus on design and technology rather than traditional off-road specs. Inside, the cabin is draped in rich shades of red leather and buccal fabric. Cadillac is rethinking how information is presented, moving away from traditional screens and experimenting with unique display methods such as a steering wheel screen. This wheel, an evolution from the opulent Velocity concept, is being developed with engineering partners to integrate features like airbags. Some of the concept's features are more imaginative than practical, including infrared light for rejuvenation, a dust-phobic vibration system to keep the vehicle clean, and advanced cabin systems to manage air quality, humidity, and temperature changes. There is also a secure storage compartment and even a handcrafted polo set. The exterior design pushes boundaries with elements that may never see production. Yet certain styling cues could appear in future models. It retains the Infinity-style taillight accent and inverted fin-like taillight projections from its predecessor. Gullwing doors enhance access, while illuminated 24-inch wheels are close to becoming a production reality, according to Cadillac engineers, who say the main challenge now is durability. The Elevated Velocity offers multiple driving modes: Elevate mode for full autonomy with retractable pedals and steering wheel, Velocity mode for complete driver control, E-Velocity mode for spirited on-road driving, and Terra mode for high-performance off-road adventures. Although this is a fully functional concept, Cadillac sees it as an experimental platform to gauge customer interest. The brand remains committed to an electric future, and this concept shows one potential direction. The Elevated Velocity will be displayed on August 15th at the Quail during Monterey Car Week. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting automotive content.